So we know how to write an Apex trigger, but we still do not have much clarity on why do we need Apex triggers when we already have some automation processes like workflows, process builders, or visual flows. And in this video, we are going to answer these questions. We are going to discover all the possible reasons of why we need an Apex trigger. So first of all, triggers are extremely helpful in automating your business processes. As we all know, all the low-code tools or the config tools in Salesforce comes with their own limitations. We have limitations in workflows, we have limitations in process builders, and we have limitations in visual flows as well. But with trigger, you can pretty much do anything that you want. There are no limitations associated with Apex triggers. So let's discuss a scenario. An order completes and now you need to generate the invoice and you need to send the shipping instructions to the vendor. Can you do this with your workflows or process builders or maybe visual flows? Maybe you can or maybe you cannot. It depends how you communicate with a third-party vendor. But in any case, triggers would be the best approach to solve this particular business scenario, as there can be 10 plus different automations that you need to run when an order completes, and a trigger would be the best place to write all these automations. So with the help of an Apex trigger, you could do something like this. You could create and trigger on order object and you could use the after update event, as you need to do it when the order status changes from incomplete to complete or maybe from processing to complete. And within this trigger, you can write all your automation. You can generate your invoice here and you could also make a call to third-party vendor and you could send the shipping instructions. Let's discover more reasons of why we need the Apex triggers. Again, I would reiterate this. Triggers give you endless possibilities in automating your tasks. There are no limitations associated with your triggers. A developer's skills, imagination, and Salesforce governor limits are the only limitations here, and you could easily get around those, right? Triggers can also be used to implement some complex validation rules. Although Salesforce allows you to create custom validation rules by simple point and click tools, but there might be some complex validation rules that you cannot create by simple point and click. In those cases, triggers can be helpful. Triggers can also be used to communicate with third-party systems when the data changes in Salesforce. So if you make some changes to your Salesforce data or Salesforce objects to be precise, then you can send some signals to your third-party systems from Apex triggers. And did I mention? Triggers are extremely fast. They are faster than workflow rules, they are faster than process builders, and they are way faster than visual flows. So learning the Apex trigger would be the best thing that you will do if you are a Salesforce developer. So I think these are some pretty solid reasons to learn Apex trigger. In the next video, we are going to discuss all the different type of events that an Apex trigger supports.